All electrical connections must be in accordance with local codes, ordinances, and the National Electric Code. This product operates on 120 to 277 volt AC. Always confirm the maximum wattage of the fixture does not exceed the maximum wattage of the circuit it is connected to. If you are unfamiliar with methods of installing electrical wiring, secure the services of a qualified licensed electrician. Before installation, turn off power at main fuse box or disconnect power plug from outlet. Follow all instructions in the video. JESCO Lighting Group, LLC shall not be responsible or liable for any damage, injury, or loss resulting from the installation or use of JESCO lighting products as demonstrated in this video. By proceeding with the installation, you acknowledge and accept these terms and release.